Hey there, this is Derek Henry, and if you struggle looking for commands all over the menus in Excel, then I've got the tool for you. This one lets you easily search across hundreds of time-saving macros with a search box with autocomplete as you type. Let's take a look. So, what I'm doing here is using a shortcut to run a search box called Search Macros. Okay, and we can search for anything like something related to copying or filtering or sheets. So if you see the one you want in that list, just press the arrow down until you find the one you want, press enter to run it. You're also going to see off to the side some helpful details or even the help page. You can even set your shortcut if you want using just this search box. Now, even better is if you have macros in your own workbook, you can search for those as well. So if I just type AWB for active workbook, it's going to put that at the very beginning so you know what you're looking at. And we could do something like one of these, right? So rather than having to go through all the menus to run a macro, you can use this to do it. Okay, Google's transformed the way that we find things with Search Suggest, as opposed to having to look things up, taking a long time. This takes that same approach. It's the mother of all shortcuts. I've set about 30 custom shortcuts for my most common actions, and I use this for everything else. No ribbon, no mouse, no going back. I did some quick math and found that this saves me over 6 hours a year because I use it probably 20 times a day, save 5 seconds each time, 230 or so work days a year. It adds up really quickly. Imagine how much time you could save over the course of a year if you took that approach with everything that you do. So the next time you click all over Excel trying to run some kind of command, remember that there's a better way. Learn more about this by going to the QR code shown at the bottom here or www.XLEV8.co. If you like this, make sure to follow me for more awesome tools. Please tell me what you think. Give it a like, share with your friends, and of course, try it out for yourself today. Thanks for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.